Hi, for this video, I'm going to explain how to do a four-step summary paragraph assignment. So what will happen is that I will give you an article to read. Here's an example of one, and it's about 3 pages long with pictures. And you will need to read that article and then write a summary paragraph describing the main points of that article. And there is a process around how you will do that. So you'll get a paper like this, and you'll need to fill out all of these parts. I'm going to show you how that works. One quick note about the article: if you scan the article and you are not interested in it at all, you're welcome to choose your own article. I have some science texts in the classroom, some magazines. You're welcome to look through those. I just want to caution you on taking too much time to select an article. So no more than 10 minutes, and then you should have your article selected. If you choose the one that I have printed out, then you're able to do some avid strategies of close reading and annotating the text, which can be very helpful in picking out some of the details that you'll include in your paragraph. So now I want to explain how to write that paragraph after you have read the article and maybe taken some notes. As the name implies, a four-step summary paragraph has 4 steps. The first one is to write a topic sentence using the 3-part topic sentence method. Then you'll copy the sentence to look like a real sentence and fix any capitalization and spelling errors. You'll create a fact outline. And finally, you'll produce that full summary paragraph. And this is the part, step 4, that I read really carefully to make sure that you have included all these other parts. But I look at everything else. So in step 1, you are writing a topic sentence using the 3-part topic sentence method. So what you'll do is you'll start by identifying the item. What that is the title, author, and it also includes genre, so it's tag. Although we don't necessarily have to include genre in this class. I'm fine if you just provide me the title and the author. So this can look like something like Chapter 2 of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Sorry about the bell. The next thing is to select the verb, and the verb is describing the purpose of the text. So in this case, Chapter 2, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, describes something. That's the verb for this this summary paragraph. Finally, you'll finish your thought, and that is the main point of the article or of that chapter that you read. And the main point of Chapter 2 was how Tom got others to do his work. Put all of that together. So the verb reference, this is the hardest part of creating that topic sentence, is identifying what verb to put in there. Based off of the type of article or text that you are reading, you will select a verb that describes the purpose of that text. So persuasive articles that are trying to get you to think a certain way might have verbs such as this article endorses, or this article defends the idea of blah, 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 or this article recommends. Expository, which is the most common that we'll come across in this class, and probably what you're doing this article on, is giving you information. So it identifies something or explains an idea, compares and contrasts, asserts. Not to say that it's always the case, but often if you use the term explain for an expository article, your topic sentence will make sense. This is most common in your English classes, that you'll come across a descriptive or narrative text. So if you have a story, something like that, you might have some verbs like these. Okay, step 2, you have your item, verb, and main idea, and you put it together to look like a real sentence. So Chapter 2 of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain describes how Tom got others to do his work for him. Just make sure that you have correct capitalization and grammar in that sentence. Okay, so step 3 is to create a fact outline. So you'll take the main points of the article. You should have between 4 and 6 key details from the article that are important in defending that topic sentence. Okay, there's what it would look like for chapter 2. And finally, step 4, you're putting it all together into your summary paragraph. So it should look like that first topic sentence. There is that first topic sentence. You rewrite it once more, and then you take your fact outline. Here are from Tom all the way down to the bottom are those key details from the fact outline, and you're turning those into sentences. After you have that, you have a summary paragraph that would describe the text for somebody who didn't read it.